Hello everyone, it's the Zeth card here, my next painting video, and today I'll be painting this lovely beach scene at Eagle Hawk Neck near Tasmania, and I'll list the equipment down in the description below, so let's get straight into it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so first of all I begin adding primary blue to the corners of the sky and working my way down with acrylic white, blending it in so that the corners are darker than the rest of the sky. And then I begin adding the distant mountains and hills using a light green with adding light yellow highlights on top of this. And then I begin adding the water in a darker blue starting at the top and working my way down with a green, then a yellow and then a reddish orange towards the foreground. And then I begin adding the waves on the water as well. And now I begin adding the sea foam using acrylic white. And then I begin working my colors for the reflections on the sand, and finally I add the golden yellow of the sand. Now I begin adding the finishing touches in acrylics, and then I begin working in oil paints, adding the finishing touches to the sand and highlighting the edges of the sea foam and the distant hills, and then it's done. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Calm Waters of Pirate Bay, and as always don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LazethCard, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.